Hallo Leute, guten Abend meine lieben, moin. Ja Leute, okay. Okay, Entschuldige Leute, Entschuldige. Also, Entschuldige Leute, Entschuldige. Das noch mal, was das ist, keine Ahnung, aber das ist ja auch jetzt auch egal, Leute. Okay, aber jetzt, Leute, würde ich mal sagen, ihr wisst ja, Gameplay ist jetzt wieder neu gekommen. Da nicht, da virtuell nicht, das reagieren wir nicht, aber wir reagieren mal auf da. Eventuell, aber ihr wisst ja, was ihr mal machen könnt. Ihr müsst ihr wisst das, ich muss das nicht sagen. Ihr könnt mal ihr wisst ja, Like geben, abonnieren, Kommentare schreiben und die Glocke aktivieren. Ihr wisst ja, wie es mal läuft. So, aktivieren bitte. Ja, gut, Leute, heute habe ich auch was anderes auch noch erzählen. Ich habe übrigens einen neuen Hintergrund, ein Frühlingsbild. Ihr könnt nicht richtig sehen, aber ich habe jetzt einen neuen Hintergrund, ein Frühlingsbild, da ihr gerade sieht, weil es halt so, meine Lieben, wir haben bald Frühling, die Blumen spreiten irgendwann raus und deswegen habe ich ein neues Hintergrundbild, weil der eventuelle Frühling ist. Genau. Ja, und da ist meine Frau. Ja, Leute, gut. Ja, Leute. Gut. Gut, Leute. Wir werden jetzt auf Gameplay reagieren, auf ein Baby. Und übrigens, Catnap hat ein Baby bekommen. Jetzt, Leute, reagieren wir auf den Gameplay. Und ich würde mal sagen, let's go damit. Und ohne Werbe. Let's go. Das ist sie, diese heult. Liebling ist ja gut.
Natürlich bringt die Panasonic auch ein eigenes Log-Profil mit.
Na
Das
dann.
Panasonic Vlog. Die Qualität und die Farben sind...
Let's go.
Oh, I must be the luckiest cat in the whole wide world. I mean, just look at you
Baby.
three. You're perfect. The make-a-friend machine worked wonders.
Oh.
I'm so lucky I get to be your father. Oh, I know what that noise means. Somebody must be hungry. Time for Daddy to
Hungry?
go find you guys some lunch.
Oh. Mittagessen.
Huh? What the? Catnap has kittens? But where'd they come from?
Babies.
Doesn't matter. Clearly he doesn't trust us enough to meet them.
That doesn't make any sense. We're the smiling critters. Kids love us.
Yeah, but maybe Catnap doesn't.
Oh.
I just got a great idea. Why don't we take the kittens and hide them from Catnap? That way, we can teach him a lesson.
Yeah, no more keeping secrets from us.
That's right. The smiling critters
Was
are our
unternehmen
family.
die?
We're supposed to be these guys.
Sag mal, was unternehmen die da? Ups. Sag mal, was unternehmen die da? Keine Ahnung.
Aunts and uncles, after all. My kittens! What happened to my kittens? Come
Wo
on,
sind
come
ihre
on,
Kinder?
come on, come on! There, they're in the play care. And they're with the smiling critters. What do they think they're
playcare.
doing? Mark my words, critters. You may have been my friends once, but not anymore. It's time for Daddy to get his kittens back.
Oh, es gibt Ärger.
Where are they? Where are my kittens? I know you're hiding them in here somewhere.
Oh, Catnap!
Oh.
Looking for him?
Indigo! What do you think you're doing? Get off that! That looks dangerous!
Bombs away!
Wow.
Oh no!
Oh, gut.
Oh no, no!
Gerettet.
Now let's build you a pen. There, one down, two to go. Now where are the rest of you critters hiding?
Catnap! Hey, there you are! Wasn't that
Oh.
awesome? Man, your kittens are a total riot. Why have you been hiding them from us for so long?
Ja, wieder da. auf der Haube. An ihre Kinder. Was ist sauer?
There.
Playhouse.
Oh boy, isn't this fun? I can't believe your dad's never let you in here before. This place was made for kids like you.
Oh, I don't think so. Playtime's over.
Are you ready to embark on the most
Hä?
epic dragon adventure ever? Well, hold on to your
Hallo?
scales, because we've got a game changer for you.
Wir sind bei Poppy Playtown und nicht bei Dragon City.
Introducing Dragon City, where you are the
Oh Mann.
master of your dragon destiny. It's time to build, hatch, and evolve your very own collection of over 1,000 dragons.
Hallo?
And here's the kicker. You can even get dragons inspired by your favorite YouTubers. Download the game using the link below.
Ja.
And with your support,
Futter.
one day, there might be a Game Tunes dragon. Design and customize your dream city with magical habitats,
Uninteressant.
enchanting buildings,
Hallo?
and epic decorations. Get ready to unleash your dragon's might in epic
Ja.
PvP battles against
Uninteressant.
other dragon masters. Embark on adventures like no other. Conquer challenging quests and events, including the mythical Wizard's Hollow. Join a vibrant community of dragon enthusiasts just like you. Trade dragons, collaborate in alliances, and unlock exclusive rewards. So what
Oh,
are you waiting
Mann.
for? Don't miss out on a dragon experience of a
Ja, die Gold
lifetime.
sammeln.
Download Dragon City by clicking
Cool,
the link in the
die
description
interessant.
or scan the QR code and get a special bundle with 15,000 food, 3,000 gold, and the very rare Neo Izumi Dragon to get you started. Thanks to Dragon City for
Oh,
sponsoring
Mann.
the video.
Der nervt.
Playtime's over.
Na endlich, Mann, das ist ja Werbung. Mensch, ey.
Hey there,
Ja,
Catnap.
witzig.
You,
Entschuldigung.
you wanna play? Never mind. Forget I said anything.
Oh Gott.
What the? Magenta, wait! Oh, stop crawling away from me! I'm too big to be in
Da
here!
rein.
No, wait! Magenta, please, don't!
Nix wann.
No!
Ui, der Rutsche.
Oh!
Don't worry, Catnap. I've got her. I got her. Whew. There. Auntie Hoppy's got you.
Happy hat sie.
Look out!
Uh-oh. Ah, my neck.
Ja. Das war aber knapp.
Now don't you move a muscle,
Aber
young
witzig.
lady!
Hey, Catnap. Is it, too late to offer you an apology?
I don't have time for your apologies. One of my kittens is still missing. I need to save them. Oh, and Hoppy, if anything happens to them, I'm coming after you next. Are we clear?
Crystal.
Stupid
Oh.
smiling critters.
Au. Hoppala.
Lavender! Ah, there you are, Lavender. I was so worried about you. Do you have any idea how stressed out I've been?
Ach.
No, I'm never letting you out of my sight again. You hear me, little lady? Not even for a second. What the? Where did you find this tape?
Guck
This is
Fernsehen.
our show. Oh, those were the good old days. Look at how happy we all were back then. Oh, maybe the critters were right. Maybe if I had introduced them to the kittens sooner, none of this would have happened. I mean, they are my family too, after all. I should have just trusted them in the first place. What the? Lav!
Ist sie weg?
No, Lav, no!
Vorsicht! Oh. Jetzt steckt eine Steckdose angefasst.
Catnap! Psst, Catnap! Ah, what? Where am I? What's going on? Where are my kittens?
They're gone.
Gone? What do you mean they're gone? Where did you take them? Tell me! Tell me!
Oh.
We didn't take them anywhere! We promised, Catnap! We promise! Fine. Then who did? I don't know how to explain it, but after you passed out,
Ja,
something
auf
really
der-
strange happened in that
Ja, auf der Suche auf der Suche nach ihren Kindern anscheinend.
classroom.
Im Glasroom. Wo? Alter, Boogie Boogie? Wo?
He took the other kittens too. We tried to stop him, but there was nothing we could do about it.
Yeah, he was just too strong.
Well, where are they now? Where did he take them?
There, look, up on the monitor.
The ventilation system. Oh no.
Yeah,
Let me
that
stop.
scary Huggy has the kittens all spread out up there. It
The
likely
vent.
won't last much longer.
We're so sorry, Catnap. If we'd known that this could have happened, we would have never taken them from you.
Yeah.
We're terrible aunts and uncles. You were right not to introduce us to your litter.
Au.
But what if you had a chance to redeem yourselves?
What did you have in mind?
Now listen carefully.
Er ist ja
I
böse.
can't fit in the vents.
Oh, jetzt helfen jetzt meine Gedrehts, die Kinder halt versuchen. Ist ja nett. Aber vorhin waren sie gar nicht sehr nett und spielen mit denen. Da war Catnap so sauer. Jetzt helfen die ihnen.
I'd take care of this new
We have
Huggy by
listen.
myself.
Yeah,
But it looks
man,
like you
yeah,
guys
man.
are going to have to do it for me. Your mission is simple. Go find my kittens and bring them back to me in one piece. You understand? We hear you loud and clear, Catnap. We promise we won't let you down.
Yeah, we're gonna prove to you that we make great aunts and uncles.
Yeah, that or we're gonna get eaten alive trying to do it.
Okay. Die helfen.
Okay, Bobby, there's Indigo. He's coming up on your left.
Roger that, Catnap. Don't be scared, Bobby. We're almost there. You can do this.
Das ist der erste.
Gotcha. You are coming with me, pal.
Bobby, get out of there. Huggy Wuggy, 12 o'clock.
Komm, Huggy Wuggy.
Okay, Hoppy, you're up next. Magenta's straight ahead of you. Don't let me down.
I'm coming, kitty. Just stay still for me now.
Ja, an den
This good
nächsten
kitty
Schnapp.
cat. You are.
Boah.
Oh no, that's not good.
Come on, Hoppy, get out of there. Get out of there.
That's perfect. Hold on now, little kitty. This isn't gonna hurt a bit.
Ja, schnell da rein. Oh je, der
No,
andere.
he's found my little Lavender. I'm coming for you, Lavender. Let go of that kitten.
Ritzel,
Take this
Ritzel.
and that.
Oh, wo rettet ihn?
Yeah, you're not the only one who has teeth.
Alle retten ihn.
Oh no, looks like we just weren't strong enough.
No, I can't watch.
Stay away from my kittens.
Genau, Hände weg von ihren Kindern.
Yeah, you better run. My kittens! My beautiful kittens! You're all alive! Oh, I can't believe I almost lost you guys. I love you so much.
Hey, Catnap. Sorry to interrupt. We just wanted to say we were
Ja, ich bin
sorry.
okay.
Yeah, we should have never come between you and your family.
Ich will
That
ihn.
wasn't cool of us.
Oh, but you guys are my family too, and I should have introduced you all much sooner. Now get in here.
Oh.
Don't forget to download Dragon City today
Schon
using the link in the
wieder.
description and get a special bundle with 15,000 food, 30,000 gold, and the very rare
Listen,
Neo
wir.
Razumi Dragon to get you started. Thanks to Dragon City for sponsoring the video.
Oh Mann. Ist ja gut, Schatz. Mann. Ja Leute, das war's wohl. Ja Leute, das war's wohl. Ja Leute, das war's wohl mit dem Video auch. Wir sehen uns dann mal später im nächsten Video dann. Also Leute, ihr wisst ja, noch eine Sache, noch eine Sache noch. Ihr wisst ja noch wegen dem Plan. Der Plan kommt ab morgen raus, ab morgen. Und dann kommt endlich mal Poppy Playtime angesagt, also Poppy Playtime Mob Games und auch von mir Poppy Playtime. Morgen kommt der Plan. Heute machen wir erstmal das und am Morgen kommt eventuell der Plan. Eventuell. Das wollen wir mal sagen. Oder das machen wir mal morgen und übermorgen der Plan ist auch okay. Aber jetzt, Leute, würde ich mal sagen, verabschieden wir uns mal. Wir sehen uns dann mal im nächsten, wir sehen uns dann mal im nächsten Video mal dann. Wir sehen uns dann mal. Ihr wisst noch, der Plan noch ganz kurz, das werden wir morgen und übermorgen schon machen. Okay, gut. Aber jetzt heute würde ich mal sagen, verabschieden wir uns mal. Wir sehen uns dann mal im nächsten, wir sehen uns dann mal im nächsten Video mal dann. Wir sehen uns dann mal. Und jetzt, Leute, würde ich mal sagen, verabschieden wir uns mal. Wir sehen uns dann mal im nächsten Video ab morgen wieder. Jetzt, Leute, verabschieden wir uns mal. Wir sehen uns dann mal ab morgen. Und jetzt, Leute, würde ich mal sagen, tschüss und bis dahin, Leute. Ciao, ciao. Bis dahin. Ciao, ciao. Ciao, ciao. Ciao, ciao. Und bis dahin, Leute. Ciao, ciao.